Do you know how inflation affects your pockets? What is inflation? It is when prices of goods and services increase over time, which means money buys less than it used to. For example, if a snack costs $1 today and inflation happens, that same snack might cost $1.10 next year. You are paying more for the same thing, so your money has less purchasing power. Inflation happens because of the following reasons. Higher demand, whereby lots of people want to buy things but there isn't enough supply. Higher costs, whereby businesses pay more for materials or wages and raise prices. More money in circulation means prices can rise. Is inflation always bad? Well, not always. Low, steady inflation is normal and can mean the economy is growing. High inflation can be a problem because prices rise too fast and people struggle to afford basics. Inflation affects you negatively when your allowance or salary may not stretch as far. Savings may lose value if they don't grow as fast as prices increase. Like and subscribe for more content.